Python list comprehensions look a bit strange at first, but once they click, they feel like a superpower. In fact, one of the most upvoted Python questions on Stack Overflow is basically, what does this list comprehension do? So let's unpack it in a clear, simple way. Start with a normal loop. Imagine you want the squares of the numbers from 0 to 4. You might write squares equals for n in range 5. Squares.append n times n. A list comprehension lets you say that in one tidy line. Squares equals n times n for n in range 5. Read it from left to right. Inside the brackets you have three parts. First, the expression you want, n times n. Then, the loop, for n in range 5. Put them together. You are building a list of n times n for each n in that range. We can add a filter too. Let's say we only want even squares. Even squares equals n times n for n in range 10 if n%2 equals 0. Now we still loop over the numbers, but we only keep the ones where n%2 equals 0. So the pattern is expression for item in collection if condition, expression, loop, optional filter, all in one place. You'll see this pattern everywhere: cleaning data, converting strings to numbers, filtering out empty values, flattening a list of lists. For example, flat equals item for sublist in matrix for item in sublist. That just means, for each row in the matrix, for each item in that row, add it to the new list. So when should you use a list comprehension? Use it when it makes the code clearer and shorter. If it fits comfortably on 1 or 2 lines, it's probably fine. If it needs many conditions or complex logic, a normal loop is usually easier to read. Remember this rule of thumb. If you can read the comprehension out loud in one breath and it still makes sense, it's probably a good use. If this helped you understand Python list comprehensions, you can turn explanations like this into your own videos. Head over to vidfactory.ai to make your own explainer videos effortlessly. Just bring your idea and let the tool handle the rest.